Hi, good day everyone. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG consumer electronics within South Africa. Imagine replacing your microwave, oven, air fryer and even your steamer with one appliance. Today we're looking at the LG 9-in-1 Convection Microwave, and honestly, this might just be the upgrade your kitchen deserves. This is the LG 39-liter NeoChef Convection Microwave designed to do way more than just reheat food. It combines 9 cooking functions into one sleek unit, making it perfect for kitchens where space and efficiency matter. So what are the 9 cooking functions that you can experience in the convection microwave? You get a biltong maker, air fry, roasting, food steamer, slow cooker, charcoal grill, yogurt maker, baking, and as well as a food warmer. It honestly packs a different bunch of functions that is ideal for small or even large family members. So the LG 9-in-1 Convection Microwave is actually powered by LG's smart inverter magnetron, which gives you more precise over the power control. This means that you get no cold spots, better defrosting, and more consistent cooking every time. One thing many people overlook is the infrared heating element, which actually is a lot more energy efficient because it actually heats the food directly without any long preheating or wasted heat. So the microwave cooks food faster and runs on less time, using less electricity but still giving oven-like results. Another underrated feature is the hexagonal turntable support. Conventional microwaves use about 3 points on their turntable. This one over here uses a hexagonal design which actually has 6 points for more stability. So whether you're cooking heavy items or uneven items, it stays balanced and doesn't wobble. Now let's talk about something you'd actually appreciate every day. Cleaning. The LG 9-in-1 Convection Microwave comes through with its easy clean interior, which means that grease or food splatter clean a lot more easier instead of having to scrub. Inside, you also get a white LED lamp, which is bright enough for you to see clearly into the microwave while you're cooking. And on the outside, you have a simple and modern controls, which means that using this every day will be effortless. Guys, if you're looking to replace your under-counter appliances such as air fryers, steamers, etc., the LG 9-in-1 is exactly designed to do that. And if you guys did enjoy this little bit of a video, I hope you guys can leave a like and subscribe. But if you do have furthermore questions regarding the LG 9-in-1 NeoChef Convection Microwave, then make sure to leave them down below in the comment section and I'll try my level best to get to them. But as always, guys, stay good and stay blessed until the next one.